Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Very good. Are you happy now? Okay, my dears. Shall we start? Is there any homework in our last class? Okay, what is that? Okay, so this is the activity, right? Dear children, did you write the names of the animals and birds that you seen in this picture? Okay, so let's see. Say, dears, what is the name of the animal that you seen in the first picture? It is lion-tailed macaque. In Malayalam, it is called as Simhavalan Kurangan. These monkeys are mostly seen in wet evergreen forest. Okay, can you say the name of the next animal that you seen in this picture? Yes, it is elephant. This elephant is the largest land animal and is considered our state animal. Dear children, do you know the animal that you seen in the next picture? Okay, teacher will tell you. It is Nilgiri Tahr. This Nilgiri Tahr is a goat species seen in the mountain ranges of Western Ghats. Species means a group of animals having similar appearance. Here, the Nilgiri Tahr looks like a goat, so it is considered as a goat species. Okay, children. The next animal that you seen in the picture is our national animal, right? What is its name? Yes, it is tiger. Which is the next one? Yes, our state tree, coconut tree. So, the next one that you seen in the picture is our state flower. Do you know its name? Yes, very good. It is Kanikonna. Which is the next one? Yes, it is a bird. What is its name? Yes, the Great Indian Hornbill. It is also called as Malamulakki Velambal. This bird is our state bird, right? Which is the next bird that you seen in the picture? Do you know its name? Yes, it is a Siberian crane. The last picture that you seen in your textbook is a fish. This fish is considered our state fish. What is its name? Yes, it is green chromide and it is also known as carmine or pearl spot. So, these are the animals and birds given in your textbook. All of you have to write down these names in your textbook. Okay, children. So, the next topic that we have to discuss is Iravikulam National Park. This Iravikulam National Park is located at Munnar in Idukki district. It is one of the most beautiful forest area in Kerala. Several rivers originate from this national park. Dear children, do you know this animal? Yes, it is Nilgiri Tahr. It is a goat species being protected in this Iravikulam National Park. It is an endangered goat species. The word endangered means very close to extinction. This animal is facing extinction. So, they are being protected in this Iravikulam National Park. Dear children, do you know this place? It is a famous hill station located in Iravikulam National Park and its name is Rajamala. In this national park, the visitors are only allowed up to this Rajamala hill station. The major attraction of this hill station is the Neelakurni flower? It is a kind of flower which blossoms once in every 12 years. Okay children, so these are the informations about Iravikulam National Park. Did you understand? Okay, shall we move on to the next topic? Okay children, so the next topic that we have to discuss is My Kerala. We all know that Kerala is our state. Okay, so let's see some of the details of our state. Our Kerala state was formed on November 1st, 1956. Kerala is the 21st largest state in India. Dear children, do you know the official language of our Kerala? Yes, Malayalam is the official language of Kerala. Same ideas, which is our capital? Yes, very good. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Say dears, how many districts are there in Kerala? Yes, there are 14 districts in Kerala. From these 14 districts, Idukki and Wayanad are the only two districts that do not have railway stations. Okay dears, so let's see the details of our state once more. Our Kerala was formed on November 1st, 1956. Kerala is the 21st largest state in India. Malayalam is the official language of Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. There are 14 districts in Kerala. From these 14 districts, Idukki and Wayanad are the only two districts that do not have railway stations. Okay, so these are the important details of our state, Kerala. Okay, my dears, did you understand about our state? Okay, my dears. Now, we are at the end of our chapter and our last topic is bioreserves. Dear children, do you know what are bioreserves? Bioreserves are the areas where plant and animal species are being protected. Iravikulam National Park that we studied on today is an example of this bioreserves. This bioreserves function under the Forest Department. So, in this chapter, A Journey Through Kerala, we discussed many beautiful sights of our Kerala, right? So, we all have to be proud for being born in this beautiful land. Okay children, we finished our 10th chapter, A Journey Through Kerala. Okay dears, now it's time for winding up our today's section. See you in the next class.